Here we have question number 4, 5 and 6 in the category of multiple choice. So the earlier page had 1, 2, 3 and the following will have these questions continued till question 12. So we have total of 12 questions in the multiple choice section of quiz on exponential functions. So question number 4 says, determine the value of h that makes the following a true statement. 4 to the power of h equals to 256. Now, you can use your calculator and then calculate. One thing is very clear, that when it is 4 to the power of h and we have 1 over 256, it means that h has to be a negative number. So we have two choices here. The choices are minus 5 or minus 4. So you can use a calculator and then find out what is 4 to the power of 4 or what is 4 to the power of 5. So if you do 4 to the power of 4, for example, so you can use your calculator and say 4 to the power of 4 equals 2, you get 256. That works. So therefore, the answer is B. So that is one way of doing it if the calculator is allowed. Most probably in such questions, it will be allowed. Okay, if not, then you should remember that you could just do it by powers of 2, right? You remember 2 to the power of 10? 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Correct? Now, 4 is actually 2 square, correct? So it is like, but 2 square. So and then we can apply this, and if I divide by 2, I get 2 to the power of 9. Do you see that? I'm just taking time to show you how I can get without calculator, right? 2 to the power of 8 is half of that, which is 256. Do you see that? Now, 4 is 2 square. Therefore, 2 to the power of 4 works. Is that okay? I mean, 4 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 8 is as good as 4 to the power of 4. Do you understand? And we need 256. Now, since it is in the denominator, minus 4 is the right answer, correct? These are radicals. 1 over 5 and 1 over 4 are radicals, okay? So, if I say 4 to the power of 1 over 4, that means 4th root. This means 4th root. Do you understand? Which is a much smaller number, correct? Now, here, calculate r that makes the statement true to the nearest hundredth of the place, right? So if you have a place position like this, it is 1.18 equals to 4th root of r. So then what is r equals to? To find r, we have to write this as r is equals to 1.18 to the power of 4. So we can calculate this, right? So 1.18 to the power of 4 equals to 1.9387. So we get 1.9387. Now if you want to round it, so 1.94 is the nearest value, and we can write B as our answer, correct? The next one, determine the value of Q for which Q to the power of minus 0.125 is 1 over 5. Round your answer if necessary. So we have to find what is the value of this. So what is this? So you could write this as like 1 over q. This takes care of minus. Is that okay? And 0.25 is like a quarter, right? Quarter is like 1/4. Do you understand? So we can translate this equation as 1 over q to the power of 1/4 is 1 over 5. Do you see that? So 1 over q should be 4 powers of this. Is that okay? So 1 over 4 should be, so 1 over q is this. So we should do 4th power of this. Correct? So we have to determine q. So from here we can say q is equals to 5 to the power of 4. Do you see that? And there is only one number which is actually bigger. Let's check. 5 to the power of 4 is equal to what? is 625. So we got the 625 and the answer is C. Well, this was the number which we got, right? That's good. So this is the answer for this. Do you understand how we got this one? Okay. So I hope you understand these problems. They are not that simple, but they are tricky, right? So you need to apply some learned strategies to get your answer. Okay, move on to question numbers 7, 8 and 9. Thank you.